Have you ever met someone in their 90s who still seems full of life? Someone who wakes up with purpose, moves with confidence, remembers stories from decades ago, and somehow carries a peaceful joy that many younger people struggle to find. What if I told you that many of these remarkable seniors share a surprisingly simple daily routine? And no, it's not an expensive supplement, it's not a secret medicine, and it's definitely not some miracle anti-aging trick. In fact, it's something many people overlook every single day. Today, we're uncovering the secret routine practiced by countless seniors who remain active, engaged, and fulfilled well into their 90s. But here's the surprising part. The most important piece of this routine isn't what most people think. And near the end of this video, we'll reveal the one habit researchers continue to associate with healthier aging, better mood, and a stronger sense of purpose. You won't want to miss it. Let's begin. The first secret, a reason to get out of bed. Many seniors struggle after retirement. For decades, work provided structure. There was somewhere to go, something to accomplish, people who depended on them. Then suddenly, that structure disappears. Researchers have repeatedly found that having a sense of purpose is linked with healthier aging, and gardening naturally provides that purpose. Plants need attention, seeds need planting, flowers need watering, vegetables need harvesting. Every morning brings a small mission, a small responsibility, a small reason to get moving. And that may be far more powerful than most people realize. But purpose is only the beginning, because the next benefit happens inside the brain itself. And it's something many seniors never expect. The second secret, the brain loves gardens. Imagine standing in your garden. You're deciding where to plant tomatoes. You remember which flowers bloomed best last season. You calculate spacing. You monitor growth. You solve problems. All of these activities challenge the brain. In fact, gardening combines several forms of mental stimulation at once: planning, memory, decision-making, observation, learning. It's like giving your brain a gentle workout without feeling like work. Many seniors enjoy crossword puzzles. Others enjoy reading. But gardening adds something unique. It engages both the mind and the body simultaneously. And that's where things become especially interesting, because the next secret involves movement, and it's one of the biggest reasons some seniors remain active far longer than expected. The third secret, they keep moving without thinking about exercise. Here's a question. Why do so many exercise routines fail? Because people often don't enjoy them. They feel forced, repetitive, boring. Gardening is different. When you're planting flowers, you're not thinking about exercise. Yet you're walking, stretching, bending, lifting, reaching, balancing, all naturally. Experts often emphasize the importance of regular physical activity as we age. Gardening offers a practical and enjoyable way to stay active. Not intensely, not competitively, just consistently. And consistency often matters more than intensity. But there is another benefit that may be even more important. One that affects nearly every part of health: stress. The fourth secret, their stress levels are often lower. Think back to the last time you sat quietly in nature. Maybe you listened to birds, watched leaves move in the wind, or simply enjoyed the warmth of the morning sun. How did you feel? Many people describe a sense of calm. Researchers have long been interested in how nature affects emotional well-being, and gardening provides regular exposure to the natural world. The simple act of caring for plants encourages mindfulness. Attention shifts away from worries, away from constant news, away from daily pressures, towards something living and growing. Many seniors say their garden becomes a place of peace, a place to think, pray, reflect, or simply breathe. But the next secret may be the most surprising of all, because it involves something hidden beneath the soil, something most people never consider. The surprising discovery in the dirt. This next fact sounds almost unbelievable, yet it has fascinated scientists for years. Certain naturally occurring soil microbes have been studied for their potential influence on mood and well-being. Now, this doesn't mean dirt is a cure for anything, but researchers continue exploring the fascinating relationship between nature, gardening, and emotional health. What matters most is the larger picture. People who spend time gardening often report feeling happier, calmer, and more connected. And connection turns out to be another powerful secret, because many long-living seniors share one important characteristic: They rarely stay isolated. The fifth secret, connection. Loneliness has become a growing challenge for many older adults, but gardens have a unique way of bringing people together. Neighbors stop to chat. Friends exchange seedlings. Grandchildren help plant vegetables. Community gardens create friendships. Conversations begin naturally. One tomato plant can start an entire relationship. One flower bed can spark countless conversations. And those connections matter, because humans were never designed to thrive completely alone. But there is still one final secret, and according to many seniors who have reached their 90s, this may be the most important habit of all. The most important secret: ask enough healthy seniors in their 90s about their daily routine, and you will often hear a similar theme. They stay engaged with life. They continue learning. They continue caring. They continue nurturing something. Sometimes it's a garden. Sometimes it's family. Sometimes it's a hobby. Sometimes it's a community project. The common thread isn't simply living longer. It's having something meaningful to wake up for. A future-focused mindset. A reason to look forward to tomorrow. Gardening happens to provide that naturally. Every seed carries possibility. Every season offers hope. Every bloom reminds us that growth never truly stops, no matter our age. And perhaps that's the real secret. Not avoiding aging, but continuing to grow through it. So the next time someone asks about the secret routine of seniors who live past 90, remember this. It's rarely one magical thing. It's often a collection of simple daily habits. Purpose, movement, mental stimulation, nature, connection, and hope. Gardening brings all of these together in one remarkable activity. Have you ever experienced any of these benefits from gardening? Share your story in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more inspiring gardening and healthy aging content. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep finding reasons to look forward to tomorrow.